This young lad, I'll still come back to you, but we want to take our viewers to the seventh National Youth Games that ended in Asaba, and the sight and sound of that event, what the future of Nigeria is when it comes to sport. About 36 states, including the FCT, were in attendance, and that's the first time under the new Minister of Sports, and just so much liveliness, so much encouragement. But we don't know what the next thing might be when it comes to nurturing, when it comes to taking the next step for the future generation of Nigeria in sport. But if you missed that out, we brought this together for you to see what the Stephen Keshi Stadium looks like during the closing ceremony and the opening ceremony of the 7th National Youth Games in Asaba. Don't go away, we still have the future champion with us here. More reasons why you have to keep watching Plus Sport. Exciting moments always on the show when you keep on with Plus Sport. And more reasons why we tend to focus so much on sport across the country, from chess or sports. And most of you also acknowledge that this program is not just about football, like the most popular sport in the country. So everything. No, it's about all sport. All sport. This is where to be.